Hi everyone, my name is Lynette. If you're new to my channel, I'm from Singapore and I'm currently in Seoul for 2 weeks. So today we'll be doing an unboxing video. I'll be unboxing my buys with you guys. Okay, today's unboxing mainly consists of skincare and makeup products because I want to really quickly unbox them so that I can start using them. I've been waiting for them to accumulate for a while. This is like 2 weeks worth of buy. I promise I was trying to control so badly because I have quite some time here and I don't want to buy on impulse. So this is the damage done in 2 weeks. Okay, and I'm thinking of doing another unboxing video for my buys in terms of my clothings, maybe towards the end of the trip. So if you enjoy more contents related to Seoul, to Korea, feel free to check out my other videos. And let's get straight into it. Alright everyone, Paksu! I'm so excited, tell me you're excited too. Let's start with the biggest bag. This is from Laneige. Okay, I actually spend the most amount of money here, but I really love Laneige products even back in Singapore. So every time I come Korea, it's a refill of Laneige products for me. So a must-have is my water sleeping mask. I don't really use this in Singapore, but just because very cold. So I actually bought this lip sleeping mask because my lips are starting to crack when it has never happened before in Singapore. And then I'm also trying this Sika sleeping mask. Apparently it's more for troubled skin. All this while I've only been using the normal sleeping mask, but like I've always been having mini breakouts here and there, so I'm going to be alternating between this green one and the blue one to see how the effect is. And also this is one of my favorite products from Laneige. It's new. I think I need to show you guys how this looks like. It's called a cream refiner. But basically, after I bought this, I never ever used toner anymore. So it is a thicker, more milky version of a toner, which also acts very strongly as a hydrating moisturizer. Yes, so it is a little bit thicker than a toner, but it's still very watery as you can see. Yeah, this product I think just entered the market a few years ago and I really love it. Actually, the main reason why I love Laneige products is because they are very hydrating, and I think the most important thing for my skin is to be hydrated because I think my skin is slightly dry. And then now let's take a look at the free gifts. So I bought 1, 2, 3, 4 items, and for the free gifts they gave me a small eye cream. No, actually I don't think this is a free gift. I think I bought this too. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to spoil you, but yeah, this is the eye cream. Yeah, so it's something new that I'm trying to. Let's take a look. Ooh, okay, it's like this. I'm betting on the fact that I'll be overseas for a few months and I would lay these neatly on my table and slowly start using them. Okay, now time for the free gift. So they have very nicely given me this set. It's called a Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic blah. Yes. But anyway, it's cool because it's like jang. 5 different things all in blue color. Toner, there's some serum, and there's some cream and eye cream. So I think these are smaller versions of the same thing I bought, and I think this is actually, even though it's sample size, but it's actually good to last me for at least a month or so. Yep, so I wouldn't be using the actual products until I finish this. And actually, I have started using already. The Sika Water Bank lip mask. I really love the lip mask. Actually, back in Singapore, my lips are kind of dry. I mean, I didn't realize it until I took a photo with my friend and then I'm like, how come her lips look so nice while my lips look so dry? So maybe it's time for me to start taking care of my lips. Okay, next one. Let's go to Innisfree. So I didn't really try a lot of new brands. These are actually the brands that I do actively use in Singapore. Since young, I've read reviews that green tea from Innisfree is very good, and I've been using it for a while too. I have no idea how to do this. Sometimes I use oil, sometimes I use serum, but I think it's about the same. I think, correct me, I'm not expert here. And I also bought this hair tonic. Yeah, so for those of you who know, I have a hair condition, and for those of you who do not know, you can watch my video to find out about my hair condition, which I'm still trying to overcome it and also take care of my hair. Yeah, basically what hair tonic does is it strengthens your roots and whatever damaged hair, and gives it back nutrients so that your hair can grow. So some hair tonic helps to boost hair growth, while some is just giving your existing hair more vitamin. Yeah, I've tried different hair tonics because I never really like do my research on hair products. I would say hair products don't have as much variety as facial products. Yeah, so I'm trying this one from Innisfree, and I'll let you know how it is after a while. Taking more ownership of taking care of my hair. Hopefully it will help. And I also bought this mask pack. Masks are actually really convenient, but it's not exactly very cheap here in Korea. But they are quick fixes if you are too lazy. Otherwise, you can always buy the tub of clay mask, all those masks, which is I think the same effect, just that it's a little bit more effort. Yeah. And then for free gifts, they gifted me this. Yeah. Actually haven't really read each one of them, but from toner to moisturizer, eye cream. Yeah, if you're here to shop, remember sometimes they won't give you free gifts as readily now, so please ask for it. Yeah, just be thick skin and ask for it. And also remember to get your tax refund, everyone. Oh yeah, Laneige also gifted me this free picnic bag. Super cute, but kind of heavy. Yeah, but I've used it in my picnic at Yeouido, Han River. Yes, I think you can check out the video here if you want to check out what did I do with this mat or how I went on my solo picnic. Yeah, but anyway, it's a really cute blue color and I'm loving it so much because I don't have a picnic mat in Singapore, so this is useful. Just a little bit troublesome to be carrying around. Okay, then today I went to Olive Young. The past few times when I enter Olive Young, I don't really know what to buy. But today I entered the Olive Young in Myeongdong and it was a huge one and they had many different brands. So I bought a lot of things and this is when I started. I want to try things that I've never used before. So the first one is another hair product. Yeah, I think when I shop for skincare and hair care, I don't really have a specific thing in mind. I just walk around, look around, read the description. Yeah, other than Laneige, which was purposefully planned. Yeah, so this is a Argan Hair Oil. I think I did some research before and they mentioned that oil is very good for hair. But I don't think this is really much targeting the roots. It's more for the hair itself. Yeah, so because of my hair condition, my hair is also like quite thin and it's uneven. Yep, so I hope this oil would help. But I know some of you may not enjoy putting oil on your hair or your body. Yeah, I don't really enjoy it too, but if it's good, I must try. It's the damage has been done for like years and I think it really needs a lot more effort to take care of it now. Gotta start somewhere. Yes. And then I'm rebuying this egg white pore mask from Skin Food. So this was something I was referring to, like a mask where you can just put a layer and you can, I think this you have to wash it off. So I think it helps to clear the impurities in your pore because it's made of egg white. It was very popular years ago and I don't think it loses its effect just because it's not as popular now. Yeah, and still betting on the fact that I will use it religiously since I'm overseas now. Yeah, this is also a recurring buy. It's by Origins. I've read a lot of good reviews online. It's a rose clay mask. Yeah, it's supposed to relieve your skin in terms of irritation. Yeah, it gives a pink layer to my skin when I apply, and I love pink color, so yeah. I think for all the masks, like the sheet mask and this type of like leave-on mask, I think I will use it maybe once every 2 to 3 days. Yeah, I don't think there's such a thing as like overusing unless you really like use it every day, but I don't think I will even be that diligent, so no worries on that. I would be proud of myself if I can keep up to the 2 to 3 day schedule. So this one is called Shake and Shoot. It's by Dr. Judd, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, Dr. Judd. I think each one of them, it was on sale, so each one of them after discount, it cost like $5. I actually tried this before because one of my students bought it for me as a present, and then I found it really cute because you have to like pour it out, shake it, and then you apply it, and it's very cooling, and after 15 to 20 minutes you can peel the whole thing off. Yeah, and it feels very good. You know the kind of feeling when you go for facial and you put a very thick layer of mask on your face, when you feel like your face has so many things to absorb. Yeah, that's the kind of feeling. So this is just hydrating. I've tried this before, and this was also on discount, that's why I bought it. It's for elastic shot. So maybe after I use it, right, when I touch my skin, it will bounce. Yeah, maybe. Yes. Maybe I should consider doing like a video of my skincare, you know, like a night skincare with me. Yeah, if I'm not lazy. Yeah, okay, I should do it. If you don't see my video, means that I haven't been using my skincare diligently. So let's hope you will see my video. Yes. I don't really do skin night routine with me, that kind of video, because it's kind of hard to like apply things on my face because of my hair. Yeah, but I would love to try and explore the possibility. Anyway, these are just more masks for lazy days when I don't want to go through so many steps. This is the new mask that I'm trying that is out of my normal range. Honestly, I'm just attracted to them because of their colors. I think the effect of sheet mask is very short-lived, so I don't think it varies that much. And of course, there are high-end sheet masks which I've maybe only tried once or twice, and since the effects are more short-lived, it's not really sustainable long-term. So I don't think you need to get a very expensive mask. Just try around. And my skin generally is not very sensitive, so I don't have to worry about irritation or anything. The last one is my purchase from 3CE. So if you watch my vlog video, if you watch my cafe hopping video, I actually went to Style Nanda Cafe. Yes, and the first floor is their, this is an eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. This is an eyebrow pencil, and this is a lip water tint. Yeah, I think water tint is very cool, even though I don't have a habit of using it. But it's very light and natural, and at the same time, you know, sometimes matte lipstick makes your lips feel very uncomfortable. This is very light layer. Yeah. However, it's pretty sad that we are wearing masks very often these days, so I probably won't have much chance to use it. Maybe I should show you guys the shade of it. Yeah, so this is the shade of the water tint. It's quite pinkish coral. Yeah, but when you apply on your lips, you can actually like tint it out, and then depends on how dark you want the color to be, you can spread it out very easily. And this is the liquid liner. For eyeliners, usually when I choose, I like to buy liquid because I'm fairly confident in drawing eyeliner. If you are new to drawing eyeliner, I would suggest like getting gel or pencil liner. So this has a felt brush, and it's very easy to draw a very sharp and neat ending at the end of your liner. Yeah, usually with pencil or gel, it's harder to draw, and it's very inky. I like it because it's inky, because I like to do it once or twice and I'm done. I don't like to go over it again and again. In Korea, it's very trendy to wear more natural color liners. Like brown, but I still like my eyeliner to be black because I think my skin tone is more tan. So when I wear brown, I can't really see anything. And this is the brow pencil. I don't have a lot of brows, but most of the times my fringe is covering it. Yeah, and I use my brow pencil was originally from Innisfree, I think, but the brush is a bit thick, so sometimes when I have to draw like the actual hair, I have to pretend, you know, like when you want to draw the front part, you have to draw the strokes of brow, right? It's very thick and it looks very fake, so I've bought this to like feather it out and draw the thinner parts. Yeah, but it's very thin, so that is drawing it 3 times. If I draw it 1 time, it's actually really thin. Yeah, so if you want to like color your brows with this whole thing, it's gonna take forever. So yeah, I know some brow pencil shapes like a triangle, but I still find the tip of the triangle not sharp enough for me to really draw the strands, so I'm gonna be trying this. And lastly, this is just some cute little accessory that I bought from this earring shop in Myeongdong. I didn't buy any earrings, I only bought a cute scrunchie. Yeah, so because of my hair condition, I feel like I've said this like 2 million times. Because of my hair condition, I can't do a lot of hairstyles, and sometimes when I want to go out or like after a long day, my hair is really in a very bad condition. I mean, not my real hair, my hair. Then I would need to like bun it up to look neater. Yeah, and then I think this really adds to the look of it. At least I have some decoration. And then these very cute rings. This one is a butterfly. I've been wanting to get this beaded rings for a long time, but in Singapore it's kind of limited designs and it's very expensive. And this is a flower. I actually love like clothes and accessories in green color. I think it's a very eye-catching and interesting color to wear because I don't see a lot of people wearing it and I like to be different. Yeah, and this is one of those acrylic rings that are very popular recently too. Yeah, all the designs are very pretty, so I just had to find like a size that was suitable for me. How do I show you? Look at it, it matched my nails, so pretty. Yes. Alright, so with that, I think I've come to the end of my skincare makeup haul. I hope you have enjoyed it and look forward to seeing you for the next one. Don't forget to check out other videos of my Seoul adventures and stay safe, and hope all of you can travel soon and have your own adventure wherever you are. Love you! Bye bye!
Pika Pika Pikachu Pika Pika